Good day to our classmates, teacher, guests, and panelists. We are here to present to you our elevator pitch, which is trash former. And we believe why segregation, cleaner, better future. What is a startup? Startup is a company that are founded by entrepreneurs that are focused in developing unique products or service, bringing it to the market, growing rapidly at scale. Now let's go to the features. 1. Growth-oriented, innovative, tech-driven, and risk takers. Here are our problems encountered. I want to highlight lack of awareness in improper waste segregation, pollution, and overflowing landfills, which is or are the large problem for our environment. We choose Sustainable Development Goals number 12, responsible consumption and production. Our target customers are household and residential communities until to the management companies. Our solutions. Trash Former is a trash bot that automatically scans and segregates the waste into its proper bin. It is also self-cleaning trash bot using UV light to sanitize its bin, which saves time, improves recycling rates, and promotes cleanliness to our surroundings. Let's go to front features. Now let's proceed to interior features part 1. As you can see, it has robotic arms which pick the trash which are entered in bulk and also place it to the conveyor to be scanned by our nanotech camera. Now let's go to part 2. As you can see here, once the scanner scans the trash or waste, the door opens so that the trash can enter on their respective bin. Back features. It has also a trash dispenser garbage bag. It has also doors to be open for the janitor or janitress to get the trash bag once full. Here's our self-cleaning feature. The UV trash cleaner using UV lights to sanitize the trash bin. Here's our sustainability part, the business model. From customer segments to key partners are listed in the table 1. Now let's go to table 2. Here is our cost structure and revenue streams. Here is our market opportunity. I want to highlight the enforcement of Republic Act 9003, which is Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, created for demand for smart tech solutions. Our competitive advantage is tech-enabled sorting, in which, unlike ordinary bins, Transformer uses AI for real-time waste sorting. Our traction and roadmap, currently it is in prototype development and consultation with local schools and LGUs. Our next step, pilot testing into communities, secure partnership with recycling firms, finalize manufacturing, and begin sales. The question asks, here is what we need. We need funding for prototype development and pilot launch, mentorship in hardware development, access to government sustainability programs. And our goal is to deploy 50 to 100 beans in Baguio City in Benguet by the end of 2025. Trash for, transform trash into cash. Empower communities, healthier environment. Here is our contact info. Email trashformer@gmail.com, and you can visit our website at www.trashformer.ph. That's all for you and have a blessed day.